another edition of our Train the Trainer 2-day module in Gurugram on PoSH. Now, Vishakha guidelines came in the year 1997. What was the reason for these guidelines to come in? Is drawing up a wish list, because you see what happens in these sessions. Everybody comes from a diverse background. Some of them are like totally pro already, they want to go deep further. Some of them are at intermediate level, and there are some participants who just start to, I know. And then you have UGC guidelines also to deal with, yeah, so. What we are doing right now is a group activity. We have talked about various complex situations. So now these groups are creating a complex problem statement.
How in the real case
great training, and I learned a lot of new concepts, interacted with a lot of people in the same industry, and thank you to Vishal sir for giving us a great training.
Train the Trainer program from the NoMeansNo's Foundation, and it was super working with them, and the trainers were really good, and I would highly recommend people to take the training from NoMeansNo's Foundation.
So I just wanted to have this training to get a brief about, in detail what PoSH actually means. Since I've been IC member, I wanted to get, detailing about how to go with the cases coming in your organization. And this training has, have given a lot of knowledge in depth, and it was really worth coming here. Thank you.
Really great experience. It was very, very engaging. And the kind of delivery, the kind of engagement, the kind of interaction, and the way the program was built on the whole chemistry of the whole team of NoMeansNo's, and then the way they delivered it, the way they created, situations and the group activities, everything is connected. I really